Jai Narayan students, as we had already seen about the healthcare delivery system, and in that topic we had read about the various supporting departments. Today we'll study in detail about the roles of supporting department in a hospital. Clear? As you all know about the what are the supporting departments in a hospital, today we'll read about their, or today we'll see what are their various roles in hospital. Okay, so various departments are kitchen or dietary department, cleaning and laundry department, housekeeping department, outpatient department, laboratories, administration, purchasing department, finance and account department. Okay, we'll see one by one each and every department and their roles in hospital. First is kitchen or dietary. As you all know, that dietary department has the responsibility for ensuring quality of food service to the client and according to their needs and doctor's prescription. डॉक्टर्स के प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी क्लाइंट वहाँ पे एडमिट हुआ है उसे किस तरीके का फूड चाहिए वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ठीक है, और इस डिपार्टमेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्लाइंट को पढ़ाना भी होता है कि डाइट क्या होती है, प्रॉपर डाइट चार्ट कैसे बनता है. ठीक है, और वो क्लाइंट को बताते हैं जब हॉस्पिटल से वो डिस्चार्ज होता है पेशेंट, तो उसके लिए एक प्रॉपर डाइट चार्ट भी बना के देते हैं. ठीक है, कि आपको अब आप ये इस चीज़ से सफ़र कर रहे हो तो अब आपको ये खाना है इतने दिनों तक, फिर आप सब कुछ खा सकते हो, या ऐसे वो कुछ प्रॉपर डाइट चार्ट बना के देंगे, या आपको इस मॉर्निंग में ये लेना है, देन ये लेना है, इतने अमाउंट में लेना है. क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट इज अ क्लीनिंग एंड लॉन्ड्री डिपार्टमेंट. This takes care of entire linen of the hospital and it has following functions. Which are those? First is washing the dirty linen, repairing the torn one and replace the condemned linen. Clear? One more thing, the appointment of laundry supervisor, mechanic and clerk and the number employed depend upon the size of the hospital. Clear? Next is our housekeeping department. In this department, it has the main function of keeping the hospital clean. ठीक है, हॉस्पिटल की साफ़ सफाई का जो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है वो इस डिपार्टमेंट के पास होता है. इनके पास इंचार्ज होगा कि वो कितने सिंपल तरीके से सिंपल फैक्ट्स जानते हो बैक्टीरियाज के बारे में, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो क्लीन कर सकें, रख सकें. ठीक है, sanitation in charge should also be able to train his employees in cleaning techniques that prevent the spread of diseases, since all cleaning is meant to remove organic matter in which bacteria is harbored. सैनिटेशन जो इंचार्ज होते हैं वो अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को ट्रेन करते हैं जितने भी तरीके की क्लीनिंग टेक्निक्स होती है जिससे डिजीज़ स्प्रेड ना हो. ठीक, देन इज़ आर आउट पेशेंट डिपार्टमेंट. इस डिपार्टमेंट में क्या, आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से जानते हो इस वर्ड को, आउट पेशेंट डिपार्टमेंट एंड द इन पेशेंट डिपार्टमेंट, है ना. सो मोस्ट हॉस्पिटल्स हैव एन आउट पेशेंट, that is outpatient OPD, that is OPD, and the advantage of OPD is that much of the investigate and curative work can be done there without admitting the client, thus curtailing medical expenses. So the scope of OPD includes the following. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये पैरा में होना चाहिए था, जो पॉइंट्स में हो गया है, ठीक। जो स्कोप कुछ ओपीडी का है वो क्या है? कंसल्टेशन एंड इन्वेस्टिगेशन, प्रिवेंशन एंड प्रोमोटिव हेल्थ केयर, rehabilitation services means it is rehabilitation is care that can help you get back or restore, है ना? Health education and counseling. Generally OPD is located at the entrance of the hospital. It should be separate from inpatient area connected to it, so that it should have an easy access to medical record department like x-ray laboratory, pharmacy and billing counter, and they so that they should also easily access to casualty, but should be separated from casualty. Clear? Next is our laboratories. Following laboratories are usually found in hospital, like bacteriology lab, clinical biochemistry, hematology laboratory, parasitology laboratory, and the blood bank. Now what are these? Bacteriology laboratory. It conducts tests related to bacteria and the toxins produced by them. Okay. About the clinical biochemistry, it involved introducing tests and research in biochemical basis of what? Diseases and their clinical trials of new drugs on them. Clear? Hematology laboratory, their responsibility for making hemoglobin determination, coagulation time studies, about the number of counting of RBC or white BC, fine. Special blood pathology studies for anemia and leukemia, etc. In parasitology laboratory, studies the presence of parasites and the cysts and ovas of parasites that are found in the feces. Clear? If the person is suffering from a disease which is occurred by a parasite, then their feces are being collected and sent to the parasitology lab. There they did the test, or they detect that parasite through which that disease has been caused. Clear? About the blood bank, it has the responsibility for collecting and processing all blood used in the hospital for transfusion. It makes studies on newborn infants who may have hemolytic disease and does antibody studies on the prenatal client. Fine. So जो भी ट्रांसफ्यूजन्स होते हैं ब्लड में हॉस्पिटल्स में ब्लड के, वो ब्लड बैंक के थ्रू होगा. Then our next department is administration. Administration of the entire hospital can be vested on the administrator alone. It has the collective responsibility of medical professionals and supporting staff. That administration staff definitely depend upon the size of the hospital. Clear? And the department head. Next is our purchasing department. That has the responsibility for purchasing all supplies and equipment for the hospital. Our next or last is finance and account department. They have the responsibility for collecting the money, paying for the supplies and equipment that has been purchased for the department, for the hospital, handling all the records pertaining to hospital finance, keeping that record of assist and liabilities, and assist in budget preparation. Business manager is responsible for the function of the department and accountant help the business manager. क्लियर है? इसमें जो बिजनेस मैनेजर होता है वो इसका फंक्शन, इस डिपार्टमेंट का फंक्शन को रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है इस डिपार्टमेंट फंक्शन के लिए, एंड जो अकाउंटेंट्स होते हैं वो उसकी हेल्प करते हैं. क्लियर? इसमें सारा जो फाइनेंस अकाउंट से रिलेटेड जो चीज़ें होती है वो इस डिपार्टमेंट में हैंडल होती है. क्लियर है? So we'll end up over here with the role of various departments in hospital, and we'll start with a new session on next lecture. So Janara to everyone, stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.